Good day, smart dollar enthusiasts, and welcome to another enlightening episode on our channel. We're here to equip you with financial savvy, one video at a time. Today we're spotlighting the Equity Mates, a dynamic duo shaking up the world of investing with their insightful podcast and essential book. If you're ready to embark on a financial journey, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, remember that the products discussed today can be found in the description box below. Equity Mates was born out of the combined efforts of Alec Renehan and Bryce Leske, two friends with a shared passion for finance and a desire to democratize investing. Alec, a Sydney native, had a background in law but found his true calling when he stumbled upon the world of finance. His curiosity piqued, he began delving deeper, exploring the intricacies of the stock market, and soon realized the immense potential it held for wealth creation. Yet, he also noticed the often intimidating and complex aura that surrounded it, making it seem inaccessible for many. Bryce, on the other hand, hailed from Melbourne and had a more direct route, studying finance and working in the world of investment banking. He too recognized the immense potential of investing, but was also acutely aware of the barriers that prevented many from entering this world. Their paths converged when they realized they shared a common goal: to make investing more accessible and less intimidating for everyone. They wanted to break down the jargon, dispel the myths, and make the world of finance more approachable. And so, the idea of Equity Mates was born. They started with a podcast, a platform where they could share their knowledge, discuss trends, interview experts, and above all, make learning about investing fun and engaging. Their easygoing conversational style quickly resonated with listeners, making complex financial concepts seem less daunting. But they didn't stop at the podcast. Recognizing the need for a comprehensive, easy-to-understand resource, they penned their book, Get Started Investing. This book serves as a guide, taking readers through the basics of investing, explaining concepts in simple, relatable terms, and providing practical advice to kickstart their investment journey. Their mission was simple: make investing accessible and enjoyable for all. Alec and Bryce, through Equity Mates, have managed to turn what many perceive as a complex, intimidating world into an approachable, enjoyable journey. They've carved a path that allows anyone, regardless of their background or experience, to embark on their investment journey with confidence. The Equity Mates podcast is an educational platform that breaks down complex financial concepts. Now let's dive into the depths of this podcast and unravel its core features, shall we? The Equity Mates podcast is an exciting and informative show that aims to simplify the world of investing. It's a platform that bridges the gap between financial experts and those new to the investing scene. The podcast is hosted by Alec Renehan and Bryce Leske, two self-proclaimed average mates who embarked on this journey to demystify the often intimidating world of finance. The format of the podcast is both engaging and easy to follow. Each episode is a conversation between the hosts and a guest expert from the financial world. The guests range from successful investors and financial advisors to authors and CEOs. This diversity of voices brings a wealth of knowledge and perspectives to the table, making each episode a unique learning experience. The topics explored on the podcast are wide-ranging. They delve into everything from the basics of investing, such as understanding stocks and bonds, to more complex concepts like cryptocurrency and global markets. The hosts also tackle real-time financial news and trends, providing listeners with up-to-date, relevant information. What's more, they often share personal investing stories, adding a personal touch and making the conversation even more relatable. One notable feature of the Equity Mates podcast is its focus on making finance accessible. The hosts are adept at breaking down complex topics into easily digestible bits. They use simple language, relatable examples, and a dash of humor to ensure listeners are not overwhelmed by jargon and complexity. Additionally, the podcast encourages listener engagement. The hosts often answer questions from their audience, creating an interactive learning environment. They also provide actionable tips and insights that listeners can apply in their own investing journey. The benefits of tuning into the Equity Mates podcast are manifold. For beginners, it's an excellent starting point to understand investing. The podcast provides a plethora of information, presented in an easy-to-understand manner. It's like having a personal finance mentor in your ear, guiding you through the maze of investing. For those already on their investing journey, the podcast offers fresh perspectives, expert insights, and a sense of community. It helps listeners stay informed about the latest trends and strategies in the investment world. Plus, It's a constant source of inspiration and motivation to continue learning and growing as an investor. In essence, the Equity Mates podcast is a valuable resource for anyone interested in investing. It's a platform where learning meets entertainment, making the often daunting world of finance a little less intimidating and a lot more enjoyable. The podcast truly makes investing a less daunting task for beginners, so whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your investing knowledge, the Equity Mates podcast could be your companion in this journey. Tune in and let the learning begin. The Equity Mates book is another powerful tool in the hands of the beginner investor. This book is more than just a compilation of investment strategies. It's a well-thought-out guide, carefully crafted to provide readers with a roadmap to navigate the often complex world of investing. The book is broken down into digestible sections, starting with the basics of investing, walking you through the different types of investments, and then diving deeper into the strategies and philosophies that can help you make informed investment decisions. The layout of the book is designed to make the content accessible and engaging, turning the often daunting task of learning about investing into an enjoyable journey of discovery. One of the key ideas the book explores is the concept of dollar-cost averaging. This investment technique involves buying a fixed dollar amount of a particular investment on a regular schedule, regardless of the share price. This takes the guesswork out of deciding when to invest, and over time, it can reduce the impact of price volatility on the investor's portfolio. The book also delves into the importance of diversification. It underscores the idea that spreading investments across a variety of assets can reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. This principle is brought to life through practical examples and easy-to-understand explanations. The Equity Mates book further complements the podcast by providing a more in-depth exploration of the topics discussed on the show. The book allows readers to delve deeper into the concepts, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the investment landscape. The authors, Bryce and Alec, have also ensured that the book is filled with actionable advice. They outline steps that readers can take immediately, such as setting up an investment account, choosing a broker, and making that first investment. This practical approach empowers readers to take charge of their financial future. The book also explores the psychological aspect of investing, touching on topics like the fear of loss and the impact of market news on investment decisions. It offers strategies to help investors maintain a level head, even in the face of market volatility. The Equity Mates book is not just for beginners. Even seasoned investors can find nuggets of wisdom within its pages. From understanding financial jargon to learning more advanced investment strategies, the book offers a wealth of knowledge for anyone interested in investing. The book serves as a comprehensive guide to anyone looking to kickstart their investing journey. So whether you're a novice investor or someone looking to refine your investing skills, the Equity Mates book is a valuable resource that can help you on your path to financial freedom. Like any resource, Equity Mates has its strengths and areas for improvement. Let's delve into both sides of the coin to get a balanced perspective. First up, the pros. The primary strength of Equity Mates lies in its simplicity. In the sea of financial jargon and complex terminologies, the creators of Equity Mates have done an admirable job at breaking down intricate investment concepts into easily digestible chunks. This is true for both the podcast and the book. They've made sure that anyone, regardless of their financial background, can grasp these concepts, making investment knowledge accessible to all. Another notable is the practicality of the information shared. The creators of Equity Mates have walked the talk, and their first-hand experiences and insights are invaluable. They don't just tell you what to do, they show you how they've done it. This practical approach is refreshing and gives listeners and readers a sense of direction and purpose. The podcast and the book also score high on accessibility. Whether you prefer to read at your own pace or listen on the go, Equity Mates has got you covered. The podcast is available on all major platforms, and the book can be ordered online. This means that you can dive into the world of investing wherever you are, whenever you want. And remember, the Equity Mates book is linked in the description below. Now let's flip the coin and look at the cons. One potential drawback could be the information overload, especially for absolute beginners. The world of investing is vast, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed with all the information out there. While Equity Mates does a great job of simplifying concepts, the sheer volume of information could be intimidating for some. It's like trying to drink from a fire hydrant. Another potential area for improvement could be the depth of some topics. While the creators have made efforts to cover a wide range of investment topics, some might feel that certain areas could use a bit more depth. This, however, could be a trade-off for maintaining simplicity and accessibility. Lastly, while the book and podcast are largely self-explanatory, some might feel the need for personalized guidance or mentorship. This is something that a book or podcast, no matter how well crafted, provide. However, the benefits of Equity Mates far outweigh these minor challenges. The simplicity, accessibility, and practicality of the information provided make it a fantastic resource for anyone looking to get started in investing. As with any resource, it's essential to approach it with an open mind, ready to absorb the wealth of knowledge it offers, and the willingness to do further research where needed. And remember, even the longest journey begins with a single step. So take that step with Equity Mates and embark on your investment journey today. So, we've explored the world of Equity Mates, but what does this mean for you? We've journeyed through the inception of Equity Mates, delving into the minds of its creators and their reason for creating this invaluable resource. We've discovered their podcast, a treasure trove of financial wisdom, and their book, a comprehensive guide to getting started in the world of investing. Now let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned and what it could mean for your financial future. The creators of Equity Mates, with their passion and dedication to making investing accessible, have crafted resources that are both enlightening and empowering. The podcast, with its engaging dialogues and expert insights, serves as a mentor in your investing journey. It's not just a source of information, but a platform for learning, discussion, and growth. The book, on the other hand, is a roadmap to investing. It demystifies the world of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, making these complex concepts approachable and understandable. But what's the real value here? Well, it's the empowerment that Equity Mates offers. It's the ability to take control of your financial destiny, to make informed decisions about your money. It's the confidence that comes from understanding the market and knowing how to navigate its ups and downs. It's the possibility of building wealth, achieving financial independence, and securing a comfortable future. Of course, every resource has its limitations. Equity Mates isn't a magic wand that will instantly turn you into a successful investor. It requires time, effort, and a willingness to learn. But remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And with Equity Mates, that first step is well guided. We've also explored some key principles that Equity Mates emphasizes: the importance of starting early, the power of compound interest, the need for diversification, and the value of patience and persistence. These aren't just investing principles, but life lessons that can serve you well in many areas. Now it's your turn to explore the world of Equity Mates. Tune into their podcast, immerse yourself in the enlightening discussions, and learn from the experiences of seasoned investors. Pick up their book, delve into its pages, and embark on your investing journey with a trusted guide by your side. Remember, the links to these resources are right in the description box below. And while you're at it, why not join the conversation? Share your thoughts, questions, and insights in the comments section. Let's create a community of smart investors, learning and growing together. And finally, if you found this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. Share it with your friends and family and help spread the word about Equity Mates. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and tips. Thank you for joining us today. Please like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on today's topic. Until next time, stay smart and keep investing.